In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Constant Contact to effectively organize your contacts and streamline your communications. Whether you're managing a small business or a large organization, leveraging tags can help you to personalize the way you interact with your contacts. So, let's dive in and explore how you can utilize this feature efficiently. We'll start our journey on the Constant Contact dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Contacts section situated conveniently at the top of the menu bar. Click on All Contacts. This is where you can view and manage your entire list of contacts. From this section, you can search for the specific individual you want to tag. If your list is long, using the search bar can be quite handy to quickly locate the contact you're looking for. Once you've found the contact you want to tag, look to the right of their name. You'll see a button labeled Actions. Go ahead and click on Actions. A drop-down menu will appear, providing several options for managing that contact. Here, you'll select Add Tags. Remember, before doing this, it's crucial to have already created the tags within the Constant Contact system. If you haven't done this step yet, you can create tags by navigating to the Tags section under Contacts and entering new tags that best suit your organizational needs. Tags can be anything from client types, purchase history, or even personalized groupings that make contacting specific segments of your list easier. Once your tags are created, within the Add Tags window, you will see a list of all available tags that you've previously set up. Here is where you select the tag you intend to use for the chosen contact. Click on the tag you've decided on, and then click the Add Tags button to confirm your choice. This action will associate the selected tag with the contact, and it is as simple as that. Adding tags is a powerful way to keep your contacts organized and make sure you're sending the right messages to the right people at the right time. Tags can also be used to segment your audience for targeted email marketing campaigns, which can significantly improve your email engagement rates. Just like that, you've successfully added a tag to a contact in Constant Contact. Remember, using tags doesn't only help in organizing your contacts better, but also in delivering personalized experiences to your audience. With practice, tagging will become a seamless part of your contact management process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out in the comments or contact support for personalized help. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.